Hello everyone, this is our second lecture on the Russian Revolution, Chapter 2, Class 9. So, we have in the previous lectures, we have learned about the socialism in Russia, the Tsarist aristocracy, crisis in agriculture, and much more. So, today in these lectures, we will learn about the Russo-Japanese War 1904 to 05. So in this Russo-Japanese War, the Japanese defeated Russia and they have signed an agreement or a treaty of Portsmouth in 1905 between two countries, which put Russia in a very disadvantageous position. So this Russo-Japanese War gave a disadvantage to the Russian people or to the Russian country. So in this war 1904 to 05 Russo-Japanese War, actually Russia was defeated from Japan and the country has to sign a treaty, that is Treaty of Portsmouth in 1905, which put Russia in a very disadvantageous position. Then next we have 1917 Revolution, immediate causes. So 1917 Revolution, immediate causes, we have number one, the immediate cause, the revolution of 1905. So in this revolution of 1905, first point comes Association of Russian Factory Workers 1903 under the leaderships of Georgy Gapons, a priest. Point number two, we have Bloody Sunday, events of killing several hundreds of people in the peaceful procession held by the workers in St. Petersburg's Tsar Palace. Then number four, we have First Soviet Council formed in October 1905 in Petersburg. So in this immediate cause, point number one, you have the revolution of 1905. So in this first causes, we can see the factory workers of Russia, they formed an association or an organization in 1903 under the leadership of Georgy Gapon. That he was a priest. So he was the main leader of this factory workers association. So actually this procession, Bloody Sunday, in this peaceful procession, actually an incident happens where several hundred people were killed in the Tsar Palace, St. Petersburg. That was a place of the king or the Tsar of Russia. Then third point, they finally formed a council. So Soviet, it means a council. They formed in October 1905 in Petersburg. Then second immediate cause, we have Tsar's reaction and reforms. So Tsar's reaction and reforms, we can see on 6th August 1906, Tsar Nicholas II published a manifesto for Christianity, a state Duma. Duma means nothing else, that is a council. Okay, so after the peaceful procession, after forming factory workers association, then after forming again Soviet council, the Tsar formed a new reforms. He formed a manifesto especially for the Christianity. That is, he formed a state Duma. So that is, a state Duma means that is a council, nothing else, that is a council. So in that Duma, firstly we'll see October Manifesto. So in the October Manifesto, the Tsar granted October Manifesto on 17 October 1905. In this manifesto, the Tsar granted many features Number one, we have civil liberties, including freedom of speech, assembly and association. Then number two, we have to enfranchise the classes not given voting rights in the August Manifesto. Number third, we have all laws must be approved by the State Duma. State Duma means that is the State Council. Then next we have people's representatives to control actions of appointed authorities. Then the last one, we have a council of ministers to be formed with a chairman or the premier. So the king or the Nicholas II, he granted or he published a manifesto where he granted these following features. So I have already said civil liberties, including speech, assembly or association. Then next one, those in the August Manifesto, those who didn't get voting rights, so they will be granted voting rights to those. Then third, all laws must be approved by the State Duma. So any form of laws, if it is formed by the council, it has to be approved by State Duma. Then people's representatives to control actions of appointed authorities. So there will be some peoples as they will act as the representatives to control the actions of the appointed authorities. Then next we have Code of Fundamental Law. So Code of Fundamental Law, that is Code of Fundamental Law was published in 23rd April 1906. So Code of Fundamental Law, it is actually implemented or published on or in 23rd April 1906. So let's see. Code of Fundamental Law usually talks about like some features we have. Number one, he alone, the judge, he means the judge could make law affecting, he could alone make law affecting the constitution. So according to the Code of Fundamental Law, je mane rajabu Russian age civili mane the gai any kind of mane niyom mane rules বা রেগুলেশন তাই গাই গাই মানে বানি পারিব until and unless মানে সে লব বিলে মানে কনস্টিটিউশনত বিলে হামত লাগে বারের বা হাম দিব. So those type of মানে norms বা laws, it is alone made by the king or the Nicholas II of Russia. Then number two, we have the Tsar had held special powers of the executive, army, foreign powers and signing of treaties. He could appoint high officials and had the power to call or suspend a session of the Duma. So number two, ami dekhte hi Raja Botun power mane special power agede executive bodibo ugure army hunogure ba foreign powers mane sebibare mane ba hichuk mane agreement sign korana between bile two countries or more than two countries. So like that way mane Rajabor bekani mane power agede te exercise kuri baribo de each army gunogure ho which mane foreign powers so by executive body ho. So he could also appoint high officials and had the power to call or suspend a session of the Duma. So arakan hi agede tar power agede hi tebile mane high officials by Chico mane high officer rankot manjore te appoint guri paribo se kan mane se high post anote ba tebile aro hi agede te power exercise guri paride se মানে any session মানে council bile session or te still milete thatun mone নহলে te power exercise kori bare de hi suspend kori di bare de session nu by bile session nu no solibo that is suspended so tar sedokani mane power agede then next number 3 he had a veto power with respect to any law made by the Duma and he could also make laws when the Duma was not in session. So third point to daro he power agede the exercise kuri baride mane any power council Duma both Duma means council যে আমাতুনি কো সিএডিসিত মানে চাকমা কাউন্সিল আগে ঠিক সাইনি গুরিনিও মানে রাশিয়াত মানে দুমা ফর্ম গইছনে সো ইন দ্যাট দুমা বা কাউন্সিলত রাজাবর মানে স্পেশাল পাওয়ার আগে দে এনি ল মানে কাউন্সিলে যে বানায় সেনি মানে তে মানে ই গুরি পারে দে he could also make law when the Duma was not in session. Okay. So Raza boy mane je mane council jodi session no boson de hoy start nogote mane tar power agde ki gori pare de any law jodi mane banebar tele te bane pare de before starting the session by the council or the Duma. So this is the code of fundamental law implemented or published in 23rd April 1906. Then next we'll see Duma and the government. So Duma, that is the council, and the government. So those that Duma or the council who is to administer or what type of government system are being followed, we'll see now in this section. So number 1, under Duma and the government you have political parties. Political parties. Number 2 you have the first Duma formed in 1906, then second Duma formed in 1907, then next we have new electoral law formed or published in 3rd June 1907, then third Duma formed in 1907 to 12. Then next, impact of Stolfin's reforms on Parisians. So political parties, just now whatever I said, these are all these are the types of government who run the Duma or the Council of Russia. Then next, let's see crisis of First World War. Crisis of First World War. So number 1 we have impact on agriculture, impact on industry, impact on finance, and impact on military losses. So আমি already korfidi judi juddole obviously manuchunu morizan doi says oizan the seloge hioi whatever mane desor ba country economy age senio back mane dongso oizai the even first impact on agriculture e toma boibot odi age de first impact on agriculture joke mane first world war we Russia first mane hoti hoy de agriculture the secondly industry gani says hoise goi the thirdly hioi finance thing up hoise home hoise undo the fourth one military losses which is the je mane army hun police hun je ama country ganore mane je mane protect kore je guard je sai se hioi se niyo mane homizi koi military losses. So আমি অলরেডি হরবে ওয়ার হলে বোধা ইকোনমি বা কান্ট্রি কোধা শেষ হয়ে যায় হয়েছে এগ্রিকালচার হয়েছে ইন্ডাস্ট্রি হয়েছে ইভেন মানে লস্ট অফ লাইফস মানুষ মরি যান দই ইভেন টেঙা পয়সা কমি যায় হিতে ওয়ার হলে এক্সপেন্ডিচার বেজ হয় weapons in equipments in and many more things have to be bought during the war. The military losses maybe bekuno molayo maybe war ole more reason doi even army go no more reason koi amas the security guard tun je country gan mane protect koron se police army ho osi bekun mane jo mane hoi ko mane hi hoy tara life ani aran judot যেমন আমি রিসেন্টলি যে এবছর just 2 months last month I think so তুমি যদি news সদে হয় about say between rivalries between China and India আমি দেখি দ সত মানে একান ভ্যালি কান হি ভ্যালি আগে ই হয় between China আৰু India borderত মানে যে মানে হি হয় set মানে যে জাগুলো গই সো মানে we have lost হি হয় দি 20 or 11 মানে civilians মানে তারা লাইপানি আরিয়ন এই যে মানে between China আৰু India সে borderত ইয়ে করি দেয় হি হয় দি ফেস অফ করি দেয় মানে সত মানে তারা লাইপানি আরিয়ন ঠিক সাইনি করিও মানে ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়ার বা যে ওয়ার হলে মানে বোধা এভরিথিং মানে শেষ হয়ে যাবে ধ্বংস হয়ে যাবে দি সো নেক্সট উইল সি February Revolution. The February Revolution that is started by the members of workers group and started by the members of workers group due to anti-government sentiments, food shortages and street demonstration. Okay, so this February Revolution no যে এই February Revolution no le start করছনে mostly মানে is the factory workers যে মানে কো association form করছন তারা আমি মূল্যে শিখে association of Russian factory workers এই যে এই revolution no যে তারা মানে start করছন বা form করছনে হিতে মানে sentiments যে মানে গভর্নমেন্ট নয় হদকানি নিয়ম রুলস বানিয়ে সেগুরে সেরাগে মানে তারা নোমানন the second দিলে মানে ফুড শর্টেজেস তে ওয়ারো এই ফার্স্ট ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়ার অবভিয়াসলি মানে হেবাতে হিচু নতে বগোদা শেষ হয়ে যাবে এগ্রিকালচার শেষ হয়ে যায় গই তাই কি হব ইন্দি হেবার খাদ্য মানে কমি যায় গই তে নেক্সট ইয়ার যেতে তে তারা হি গইছন মানে এই ফেব্রুয়ারি রিভলিউশন নোট স্ট্রিট ডেমনস্ট্রেশন মানে পদে পদে মানে প্রসেশন চালিয়ন র্যালি চালিয়ন স্ট্রাইক চালিয়ন হাউরে মানে এই যে মানে অ্যান্টি গভর্নমেন্ট সেন্টিমেন্টস মানে তারা মনত দুঃখানি দেখা দিনে যে রাজা বই মানে রুলস নর্মস মানে ফর্ম করছি দেন নেক্সট উই হ্যাভ October Revolution. The Amico Furalonge February Revolution. Mostly the revolution no always start by the factory workers on Monoragio, Hite, shortage hebate hadune agriculture says we the norms, rules, manage government joiba, razaboy, publish gochiba, form gochi, implement gochi, senino manon, seragio is a they are he. Tara strike salion for the rally salion procession salion so that is February Revolution tai ko ami gori bonge hi next October Revolution the October Revolution no very important person ko role play gochi see arrival of Lenin on 3rd April 1917 October Revolution was the beginning of the establishment of a Soviet state in Russia. Lenin suggested remedies called April Theses. So, April Theses were transition from first stage of revolution to the second. Uncompromising position of the government. Then Soviet as the key institution, peace, land and bread. slogan launched by Lenin. Okay, so let's see here. We have already learned about February Revolution, so now we're going to learn October Revolution. So in the October Revolution, the main leader to form or to implement this revolution, he is Lenin. So he formed this revolution on 3rd April 1917. So October Revolution nole mostly launch kochide onna Lenin on 3rd April 1917. So this is mane ekan mane beginning starting mane Soviet state Soviet socialist state mane form gorana Russia te start kochide mane socialist mane society botti mane common iko mane council by ikan state mane banana. So start hoide haloi Lenin noi te Lenin mane remedies form ba publish kochide se remedies ani actually called April disease te je remedies mane publish kochi Lenin se remedies ani main mane topical ide April thesis. So April thesis so number 1 he gorana transition from first stage of revolution to the second mane je mane tara first beginning of mane je changes kochon mane seni loi mane satisfy noi mane se changes ani aro mane develop kora poribo de second stage number 1 no te hoide. Then number B hi hoye uncompromising position of the government te jeni mane government noi norms rules regulation baniye se mane seni mane tara compromise no horibak je mane no manibak. Then Sibole hi hoye Soviet as the key institution te Soviet ba council lo ikko mane just like ikko institution over there bakunute tete ikko slogan mane launch kochide peace land and bread se slogan no common ragyo very important bile who raised ba who launched the slogan peace land and bread that is by launched by Lenin. Then next we have treaty with Germany and civil war. So agreement treaty means agreement mane between Germany and civil war mane oyede. So in this treaty here let's see the German army had penetrated deep into Russian territory. So after treaty of German and civil war Russian the German army they came inside the Russian territory mane Russia bidire sommoni de agreement no mane je a treaty bo mane sign guri nei Germany loi Russia te German army gun ekore mane Russia territory boundary bidire mane sommoni di. Treaty was signed between Germany and Russia on March 1918 Brest-Litovsk Treaty. So the treaty mane between Germany and Russia mane sign hoye March 1918 se treaty bo actually Brest-Litovsk Treaty hoide se treaty bo nagan se mane between Germany and Russia sign hoye. Then we have the legacy. So if we see the legacy, let's see the Russian experience became a rallying point for revolutionary workers and socialists all over the world as it was for the first time that the socialist state had been established in the world. So if we see the legacy, we can see Russia had experienced many ups and downs. See from workers then forming to socialist constitution or socialist association, then Soviet Union and Dumas or the council. many মানে transition মানে দেখি দি আমি যে factory workers in Russia মানে association form গুছুন that society তে ham গুছুন association form হয়ন socialist state মানে so first মানে socialist state Russia form হইদে all over the world মানে others country ga need form no de first Soviet state বা socialist state form হইদে first in the Russian country. So at the end of the chapters we can see Russia has faced many ups and downs, and finally at the end this country formed a Soviet or socialist state and had been the first socialist state in the world. So that's all. Thank you.